Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pralines and cream ice cream. This classic dessert combines a smooth, sweet vanilla base with delightful, crunchy praline pecans. We will break down the process into easier-to-follow steps, ensuring a perfect frozen treat every time. Get ready to create a truly special dessert that will impress everyone with its homemade goodness and incredible flavor. First, let's create those irresistible praline pecans. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar with a pinch of salt. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens and beautifully coats the pecans. Then, spread the hot praline onto a sheet of parchment paper to cool completely. Once firm, simply break it into delightful, crunchy pieces. Next, we will prepare the luscious vanilla ice cream base. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until the sugar dissolves. Stir in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, aromatic flavor. Cover the mixture and chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Then, churn the cold base in your ice cream maker until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, it is time to bring everything together for this delightful treat. Once your ice cream base is churned to a soft serve consistency, gently fold in all of those delicious, crunchy praline pecan pieces. Ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. Transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours or until firm. Now, scoop and enjoy your incredible homemade pralines and cream ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.